What is going on, everyone? Got an unboxing video here to share with all of you of my new Apple AirPods Pro. I just recently ordered these ones over on Amazon, and they finally shipped out after being out of stock for a few days. I paid $249 for these little guys, and I'm hearing nothing but really good things about them. So I'm going to put a link down in the description. If any of you are interested, you can click that link and head over to Amazon and check these things out. Now, these are actually my first pair of AirPods, actually my first pair of wireless earbuds. I'm actually coming from this tangled mess right here. I've washed these guys like by accident a couple of times, so they're pretty much shot. So I figured I'd go with something new like these, and I know these are packed full of new technology. What would really be awesome is if Apple would release a black and color version of these, like a black box, a black version of these AirPods, because I'm telling you right now, a lot of people would buy the black case and the black AirPods. It would be really awesome, and I think they would do really well. Okay, so let's go ahead and unpack this thing and get the AirPods out of here. So Apple always does such an amazing job at packing their products. It's always so much fun to unbox these things, like the boxes are perfect. So what do we have down in here? There is the wireless charging case all packed neatly down in there and all wrapped up nice and neat here. So with this wireless case, you can actually lay this down flat on a wireless charger and it charges the case, and then the case itself charges these AirPods. And we have down in the box, it looks to me like the silicone ear tips. I guess this comes with 3 different sizes. The mediums are already on the AirPods now, and then you get these 2 additional sizes right here. And we have the Lightning to USB-C cable all packed and neatly down in the box there. So let's just have a little look at this AirPod. So up to 4.5 hours of listening time with a single charge, and up to 5 hours with active noise cancellation and transparency off. So I just want to set my phone here real quick and see how quickly they pops right up. Turned Bluetooth on, it popped right up. I'm even on the lock screen, so that's how quickly that works. So I just want to go through some of the steps here and see what happens. Looks nice little thing in there spinning. That's pretty cool. So there it's connecting. Oh, cool. And they're kind of like floating around in the air there. That's pretty neat. It says noise control. Press and hold either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. And it's just showing you there. You can go into the control center to control the different modes. You can also have Siri announce messages, and it also shows you there Jamie's AirPods Pro. It shows me how much it's charged up there. That's pretty cool. So yeah, these things pretty much sync up, no problem at all. They're really, really nice. The audio technology packed in these little guys is amazing. They have active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive EQ, a vent system for pressure equalization, a custom high excursion Apple driver, and a custom high dynamic range amplifier. And they are sweat and water resistant, which is obviously really good. And the sensors packed in these little guys is absolutely amazing. They have dual beamforming microphones, an inward facing microphone, dual optical sensors, a motion detecting accelerometer, a speech detecting accelerometer, and a force sensor, and an H1 based system. So I may do a follow-up video if that's something any of you are interested in me doing, to let you know how I'm making out with them or how well I like them after 3 to 6 months. Leave comments below. I'm really feeling that I'm gonna like these a lot, so that's pretty much all I had, is just this unboxing video for all of you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.